Hey Groovy Lotus Yogis, I'd like to show you something I call the Zigzag Vinyasa. It's a lot of fun and it's a kinder, gentler way to flow. Let's try something. Come to a child's pose. Wide knees, bringing your toes together. Bring your butt back. Let's get it back. Extend. And take some deep breaths here. I'm going to put my hair back. Stay in child's pose. Take some deep breaths here and let your body sink into child's pose. Your elbows can be relaxing or they can be a little bit off the ground and you're extending with a more active arm. Your nose can be touching the mat. And take some deep breaths. You can stay here as long as you want. However, when we're ready, we're going to inhale, coming up to all fours, placing our hands shoulder width apart and our knees hip width apart, tucking our toes under, and we are in tabletop. Inhale, sink your belly down and let your head come up. Exhale, come into cat. Inhale one more time with cow. Exhale, come up on your toes and back into downward dog. You're going to have to bring your hands forward a little bit. From downward dog, we'll breathe and spread our fingers. And let our head, shake our head yes and no. Pedal our heels. Then, after several breaths, come to stillness. Turn those elbows in. Push the buttocks diagonal. Inhale, come up high on the toes. Lunge forward a little bit. And then exhale, come down on the knees, but bring the knees wide. And back into child's pose. That's the zigzag. So let's just do that a little bit faster. Inhale, come up, tuck your toes under, bring yourself all the way up. Exhale, back into downward dog. Inhale, high on the toes forward. Here's the zigzag, knees come down wide. Exhale, down, untuck the toes, child's pose. Inhale, come up, tuck the toes, all the way up on the toes. Exhale, back into down dog. Inhale, high on the toes, lunging forward, coming down. Exhale, wide knees, untuck the toes, back into child's pose. Slide the hands forward. Inhale, slide the hands back, tuck the toes, up, back, exhale, into down dog. Inhale, up on the toes, lunging forward. Exhale, down on the wide knees, toes together, and coming back. Just inhale and come on up. That is what I call the Zigzag Vinyasa. And you can do that in the morning or at night, anytime you want to stretch. It's great for digestion. It's also a great addition to a very simple, easy but effective mini practice. You can add that with a sun breath. Check out my video, The Sun Breath, and you can link these two little practices together for a gentle but moving, breathing, stretching practice. See you soon. Don't forget groovylotus.com. Check out my live classes almost every day of the week.